Hello student, good morning. Today we will study a poem, The Shade. The poem is written by Frank Flynn. The Shade. Do you know what a shade is? A cow shade, a tool shade, a wood shade. For example, as an example, if we will take an example, cow को रखा जाता है उसको भी shade कहते हैं. टूल शेड जहाँ पर सब टूल्स को रखा जाता है दैट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड टू शेड. अ वुड शेड वेयर अ wood is kept. Okay, it's a small room. You can see in the picture, this is a picture of shade. It's a small room away from main house for storing or keeping things, animals, tools, vehicles, etc. ओके, घर से थोड़ी दूर होता है जिसमें हम एनिमल्स, टूल्स और व्हीकल्स को रखते हैं. आस्क योर पार्टनर्स इफ ही हैज़ एवर सीन अ सेट. लेट हर हिम डिस्क्राइब इट टू क्लास. नाउ रीड द पोयम. There is a shade at bottom of our garden. So poet is saying that there is a shade bottom of his garden with a spider web hanging across the door. Okay, as it is unused, and that is why it is dusty and spider webs are hanging. Hanging means लटकना, लटक रहे हैं क्या? Spider webs. The hinges are rusty and creak in wind. ओके, तो उसमें जो ये वर्ड है HINGS, hinges are rusty and creak in the wind. When I am in bed, I lie and listen. I will open that door one day. So the poet is saying that the hinges are rusty and creak in the wind. So here the word hinges. Hinges means joints. जो भी इस शेड में जो जॉइंट से एक पार्ट दूसरे पार्ट से जुड़ता है, those are rusty. Rusty means weak and creak in the wind. And when there is a wind, they make sound because the joints are weak. Okay. So poet is thinking that one day he will open the door. Okay. He is lie in bed. वो बेड पर जब लाई करता है एंड लिसन द साउंड दैट क्रीक साउंड ही लिसन एंड ही डिसाइड्स दैट वन डे ही विल ओपन द डोर, कि वो एक दिन ये शेड में जाएगा और ये डोर ओपन करके अंदर वो जाएगा. वन डे ही विल ओपन द डोर ऑफ द शेड. There's a dusty old window around at the side. So the windows are old and dusty. बहुत गंदे हैं और बहुत ही पुराने विंडोज है. With 3 cracked panes of glass. So उसमें जो पेन्स है विंडो के ऊपर जो आते हैं ग्लास, उसको पेन्स कहते हैं, राइट. So the pens are cracked. I often think there is someone staring at me, and poet thinks that somebody is there in the shade and staring at him each time that I pass. Whenever he pass from that shade or by that shade, he thinks that somebody is staring him. I will peep through that window one day. So the poet decides that one day he will peep. The word peep means look, झांकना. That he will peep through that window one day, कि वो विंडो में से एक दिन अंदर झांकेगा कि क्या है उसमें. My brother says there is a ghost in the shade. So poet's brother had said that there is a ghost in that shade who hides under the rotten floorboards. That ghost hides मतलब छिपा हुआ है कहाँ पर? That ghost hides under the rotten floorboard. जो rotten मतलब सड़ा हुआ, टूटा हुआ, फ्लोरबोर्ड के नीचे वो छुप कर बैठा है. And if I ever dare to set foot inside, if The poet dare means हिम्मत करना. If the poet dare to set foot inside means where, and said, he will jump out and chop off my head. So the ghost will jump out, which is hidden under the rotten floorboards. So if the poets will put his leg inside the shade, the ghost will jump out and chop off my head. Chop off मतलब उसका जो head है उसको काट डालेगा. कौन? Ghost. But I will take a pick one day. So the poet decide that one day he will pick into the shed. So here the word pick. Pick means peep, झांकना. I know that there isn't really a ghost. Poet says that there is no ghost. My brother tells lies. So poet thinks that his brother tells lies to keep the shade for his den, because वो वहाँ पर छुपता है, इसलिए शायद वो उसको डराने के लिए ऐसा कहता होगा. There isn't anyone staring or making strange noises. So poet thinks that there is no one who is staring at him and making strange noises. And the spider has been gone from his web. So whatever the spider webs are there, but actually spider has been gone, कहीं चले गए हैं. Since I don't know when. Okay, when and where he doesn't know. I will go into that shed and one day soon. So poet decides that one day he will go into that shade, कि वहाँ पर वो एक दिन जाएगा. But not just yet. But अब ये फाइनली है नहीं कि वो कब जाएगा. Okay. So the poet is Frank Flynn. Okay, some of the words are there. Hanging, hinge, creak. Okay, rusty. तो ये वर्ड मीनिंग आपको आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक होमवर्क बुक में लिखने हैं. और ये जो क्वेश्चन आंसर है वो भी आपको आपकी होमवर्क बुक में लिखने हैं. ओके. If suppose we talk about the literary device of the poem, the last word is garden, door, wind, listen, day. So garden, listen is the rhymey word. Okay, rhymey scheme तो हो जाएगी A, B, C, A and D. If suppose we see in the next stanza, shade, glass, me, pass. So glass and pass are rhymey word and day. So side, glass, me, pass, day. Glass and pass are rhymey word. Shade, floorboards, inside, head, day. So यहाँ पर shade, floorboards, inside, head. Shade and head are rhymey words. Last stanza, ghost, den, noises, web, when. तो den and when are rhymey words. Okay, and soon. तो यहाँ पर den and when are rhymey word. In this stanza, shade and head are rhymey words. So in this poem, working with the poem, answer the following question. Who is the speaker in the poem? Yes, Frank Flynn is the speaker of the poem. Is he afraid or curious? Obviously he is curious, or both. So obviously he is curious. What is he planning to do? So he is planning to do, one day he will open the door or he will peep through the window. Okay, but not just yet. Suggest doubt, fear, hesitation, laziness or something else. Choose the word which seems right to you. Tell others why you choose it. So this answer depends on you. What you choose it. Write it yourself. Is there a room in your house or a house in your neighborhood, locality where you would rather not go alone and never at night? If there is such a place and a story to go with it, let others hear all about it. क्या आपके गांव में कहीं पड़ोस में ऐसा कोई घर है जिसमें ऐसा कहा जाता है कि घोस्ट रहते हैं? If such kind of house and place is there in your village, just write a story about it and share it. Okay, so these question and answers you have to write in your homework book. Thank you and have a nice day.